Hi, I'm Josh. I run the youth program here at Urban Workshop, and I'm going to show you what we actually do in Level 4. So Level 4 is really cool because it allows the students to bring together what they've been building on for the first 3 levels. And this is where we really start to take their skills and hone them, and we focus on the craftsmanship of what they do. So the 2 large projects in Level 4, one is the welded metal cube knot. This is an opportunity for them to figure out how to cut mitered edges in metal, and then to file and line those up, properly prepare the metal for welding, weld it together, grind it down afterwards, and do everything necessary to build this infinity cube that's really hard to tell where it starts and ends. So sometimes they get a chance to do some patina work, which is stuff that you can do to change the color or the texture or the look of the metal component that you're working with. So this is a high-level welding project, really cool addition to their repertoire. And then the project that gets students most excited, this is a multidisciplinary project. This is obviously the Bluetooth speaker. So they make everything from this Bluetooth speaker, from the wooden frame to drilling the holes and routing them out, to the switch and the charger in the side here, also the leather handle on top. We teach them leather working. And then what you can't see, but what's inside of here, 4 screws, they do all of the soldering and the electronics work to make a fully functional and robust Bluetooth speaker. So that is currently the final project of Level 4, and the product of a lot of hard work throughout all the levels. So thank you.